Hello everyone, this is Anto Ramya, Assistant Professor in Computer Science from St. Joseph's College, Hosur. In this video, we'll be seeing about lists and tuples. So first we are going to see about list. Lists are collections of values of different data types and they are mutable. Mutable means once a list is created and you want to change the values, entire values or one value, whatever you want to change, that can be done. And here is a syntax. My list is equal to element 1 and element 2 and it has to be given within square brackets only. The first example you can see fruits is equal to apple, orange and banana. So when you print the list, you can see all the values inside the list. The second example, a list is equal to 1, 2, 3, ABC, 4.56 and we have another list, inner list and then a complex number, 7-9J. So here this A list contains an integer value, a string, a floating point number, as well as another list. It is called as nested list. One list inside another list is called as nested list, and then we have a complex number. So everything can be stored in a single list. So now when we print A list, the entire list is printed. Accessing elements inside the list, on the right hand side, you can see the values here, how it is stored. This is how it will get stored inside the memory. So in the same example, A list is equal to 1, 2, 3, ABC, 4.56, the nested list, and then we have a complex number. So this is how it will be stored. 1, 2, 3 index value is 0, ABC index value is 1, 4.56 index value is 2, and here the nested list, you can see how it is stored. This is the nested list. The position is 3, and inside 3 we have in the 0th position, it is inner, and in the first position it is list. And then in the fourth position we have 7 minus 9J. And now when we print a list of 0, so in the 0th position we have 1, 2, 3 here, so that will be printed 1, 2, 3. A list of 1 to 4, so in 1 we have ABC, so from 1 and 4 will not be printed before 4. The stop value is excluded. Start value is included but stop value is excluded. So 1, 2, 3 alone it will print. So we're having ABC 4.56, inner list will be printed. The next example, if you see A list, the start is not given but it stops with 3, that is before 3. So 0, 1 and 2 will be printed. So 1, 2, 3 ABC 4.56 will be printed. The next example, if you see A list 3, 1. So in third position, the first value. So this is the third position and the first value here is list. So list will be printed. So next one is slicing list. So if you want to extract a part of the string from the list, that can be done using slicing. So there is a syntax for slicing. My list, start and stop value must be given. So fruits is equal to the say apple, orange, banana. Subset is equal to fruits of 1 to 3. So as already discussed, the stop value will not be included. So stop value, the previous value there itself, it will stop. So 1 and 2 alone will be printed. So apple value is 0, orange is 1 and banana is 2. So orange and banana alone will be printed. Updating or modifying list. So like we already saw, lists are mutable. The values can be changed. So let's directly go to the example. Here we are having the A list value 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, everything. So A list of 2. So in the second position, this is 0, 1 and 2. So in the second position, we are having 4.56. Now what we are doing here is A list of 2 is equal to float replacer. So we are replacing the second value. The second value 4.56 is replaced by float replacer. So now if you print the A list, you can see in the second position there is no 4.56, instead float replacer is there. Next is adding elements. We can add elements inside the list using the append method. So here we are having an example. Fruits is equal to apple, orange, banana. Fruits dot append of kiwi. So append will always add values to the end of the list. So here end of the list is banana. So it will be apple, orange, banana and then kiwi will be added. So when we print fruits, we can see the output apple, orange, banana and kiwi. Next one is extending list. So if you want to add another list, means there is already one list. With that, you're going to add the values from another list. That can be done using the extend method. The example, fruits is equal to apple, orange, banana, kiwi. More fruits is another list, pineapple and mango. So now fruits is the first list name. Fruits dot extend of more fruits is the second list name. So more fruits value will be added to the first list, that is fruits. So now if you print fruits, you can see apple, orange, banana, kiwi, pineapple and mango. Inserting elements. So if you want to add values in a particular location, that can be done using the insert method. So we are having our list. Fruits is equal to apple, orange, grape, kiwi, pineapple and mango. Fruits dot insert 2 comma pear. So in the second position we are going to insert pear. So apple is in the 0th position, orange in the first position, 0, 1 and 2. So we are going to move grape and add pear there. So in the second position, pear will be added. So grape will be moved to the third position, kiwi will be moved to the 4, pineapple to the 5 and mango to 6, like that. So if you print fruits is given, if you see here, apple, orange, pear, grape, kiwi, pineapple, mango has been added. And we can also remove elements using two methods are there for that. One is remove and other one is pop, or we can also use our same delete function also. So fruits is equal to apple, orange, pear, grape, kiwi, pineapple and mango. Fruits dot remove of kiwi. So we are going to remove this kiwi. So after removing, you can see the list: apple, orange, pear, grape, pineapple and mango is there. So we are going to see the second method, that is pop. Popped fruit is equal to fruits dot pop of 3. Third element we are going to delete. So 0, 1, 2, 3, that is grape. So grape will be deleted. Now if you print fruits, if you see apple, orange, pear, pineapple and mango is there. So that's about list. So next we are going into tuples. Tuples are also ordered collections, but it is immutable. So once a tuple is created, you cannot change values inside the tuple. So that is a major difference between list and tuples. Tuples are immutable while lists are mutable. And tuples uses rounded parentheses, rounded brackets. List uses square brackets. The syntax of tuple is my tuple is equal to, within parentheses you can see element 1, element 2, etc. So we are creating a tuple here. Example, coordinates is equal to 3 comma 4. Accessing elements inside tuple is same as the list. Using the index value only will be accessing the elements. So index value is also same. It starts from 0 and then 1, 2, 3, etc. So here example, x coordinate is equal to coordinates of 0. So in the 0th position, what coordinate is there is 3. So 3 is the answer for that. Immutability of tuples. So like I already told you, once a tuple is created, the values cannot be changed. So append, remove, pop, insert, all these methods won't work. So here is an example. Coordinates, same thing, 3 comma 4. We are creating a tuple. Now if you try to change the value inside the tuple, coordinates of 0 is equal to 8. It is going to return an error. So this is the error. Type error, tuple object does not support item assignment. So what are the advantages of tuple is memory efficiency, because we are not going to change anything. So once a tuple is created, that is going to be the tuple till the entire program. So memory efficiency is there, and it becomes a read-only type of data which cannot be changed. So if you want to pass any read-only values inside your program, that can be done using tuples. And tuples can also be used in dictionaries as keys. And tuple can also be used for returning multiple values from functions. So here is an example, def, that tells you the beginning of a function. Get coordinates of is the name of your function, and then we have parenthesis colon that denotes the beginning of a block. Return 3 comma 4. So we are returning the value 3 comma 4. So x comma y is equal to get coordinates of, we are calling the function. So the function is returning values 3 and 4. So the output will be x is 3 and y is 4. So unlike list, we have very few methods that can be used in tuples, and the most commonly used methods are count and index. So here is an example, my tuple of 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. So the first one what we are going to use is count function. So here count of 2's is equal to my tuple dot count of 2. So we are going to count how many times the value 2 is occurring inside the tuple. So how many times 2 is there is 2 times. So the output, if you see, count of 2 is 2. Then we are going to see about index. Index of 3. So here this index we are going to identify. So here 1 is in 0, 2 is in 1, the next 2 is in 2 and 3 is in 3. So my tuple dot index of 3 will return the value 3. That is the index value. So index of 3 is 3. Tuple concatenation and repetition. So concatenation here will be using plus operator, and for repetition will be using multiplication operator. Okay, so let's go to the example. Tuple 1 is equal to 1 comma 2. Tuple 2 is equal to 3 comma 4. So now we are going to combine both the tuples. So concatenated tuple is equal to tuple 1 plus tuple 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4 will be the output. Here you can see concatenated tuple 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Repeated tuple 1 into 3. So 3 times tuple 1 will be repeated. So 1 comma 2 is going to be repeated 3 times. So here is the output, repeated tuple 1 comma 2, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 2. So this is just an assessment for you to know how much you have understood from this video. Thanks for watching.